Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Andy's Toolbox. In this episode, we're doing a haul, the monthly haul, and this month's haul wasn't that extraordinary, but I did get a few things I thought I would share. So, starting out here, we have one Mac Tools striking scraper. Now, this is the first one that I'm getting. I'm getting the this is 1/2 inch. I'm gonna also get the 3/4 inch. I don't see a need to get the larger ones or the wider ones because I already have striking scrapers, and I don't really see myself using those ones in a striking style. Maybe if I was doing some sort of shingle work or something like that, but I already have striking scrapers that are like the putty knife, but they're heavy duty, so just those two in this style. But the surprising thing, at least I was surprised, is that right there. So I think Mac Tools is stepping their game up with these scrapers. I'm definitely satisfied with the build quality. I mean, this thing is really heavy duty. It's heavy in the hand. It's good. The steel feels and looks to be some decent quality, and in Mac's description it says that it's hardened and tempered, so, and it's made in the USA, so I'm happy with this score. Okay, put that off to the side. Next here, just chilling in the background here, is this nice 1/4 inch metric socket set from Cat Tools. This is an interesting little score, and I'll point out to you as I open this up why. Now, I've been a fan of Cat Tools since I was a kid, and Cat tractors and all that stuff. My dad was a heavy equipment mechanic, and he worked on Caterpillars and diesels and all that shit. So I was always privy to Caterpillar products, and I haven't been disappointed with buying these tools. Okay, you see that? That's kind of interesting. I'm not even gonna say what I'm talking about. If you don't see that, you got shit for brains. So no offense. So let me, and even more interesting as I dig in here is the sockets. These are carbon copies, exact knockoffs of snap-on sockets. These are snap-on sockets. Okay, you see that? Quality's the same. So I'm very happy with that, and these ratchets resemble the old school snap-on ratchets when they had the holes in the back here for the screws. This is a 36 tooth ratchet, just like a snap-on. That's the sound. So pretty nice. Also got the extension, universal, pretty nice. Okay, you see that? And extensions, USA. Very happy with this set. I will be picking up some more Cat sockets, and I hope they're this style. I mean, there's nothing better than snap-on sockets, so they just say Cat on them. So there you go. And lastly, long story short, I bought a set of German NWS tin snips, and they started chipping on the blades. It was that pot metal, kind of like channel locks are made out of. They just snap, and break. They don't bend, they break, and I hate that. And that seemed to have the same thing going on, so I got these. Now, I haven't used these yet, so I can't really tell you if they're any better, but the reviews on the internet and stuff say that they're good. These are Malco, USA made. Has the blade that's just been bent over, forged top blade, and this is like just a bent, hardened piece of steel on the bottom. They're low profile. Uh, they do recess here, and they will cut a flush line. So these are made in the USA. So that's my tool haul for the month, and it's not a big one, but that's what I got for the month, and I thought I would share that with y'all out there. So thank you for tuning in. Smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Have a good one, guys.